Hey, what's going on, fellow YouTubers? All Things Tech here. Today I am going to share with you my recipe for a quick and healthy latte. Probably make this in less than 5 minutes. The first thing I do is I use a K-cup and I put this in the Keurig machine and make some coffee. And from there I measure out an ounce of coffee. And then I use a Ninja coffee bar to froth the milk. In this case, I am using lactate 2%, and I'm going to use 5 ounces of it. And there is a line for measuring. It says max milk, and I put the top back on, and then I'll start pumping. And there's a line to stop pumping. It says pump to here, so you keep pumping. Of course, you can pump further and get it a lot more foamy, depending how you like it. So I'm way past the line. So what I do is I get a coffee glass, the espresso, pour the espresso in, pour in the milk, the frothed milk, nice and foamy, like that. And then I use a French vanilla by Coffee Mate, and this is sugar free, so essentially every tablespoon is 15 calories. I'm gonna eye it, don't need much of this. It's about a tablespoon or so. And there you have it, my latte, quick and easy. I don't even know how long that took, but it didn't feel that long. But real quick, I'm going to break down the calorie count. So this is about 15 calories for this creamer. This milk is very agreeable to those that are very sensitive to lactose. And 1 cup is 130 calories, and I'm using essentially 5 ounces, so it's a little bit more than half a cup. So this should be about 70 calories or so. So with the creamer, the milk should be about 85 calories. And the coffee, I don't think there's much calories, if anything maybe 10 calories, so you're under 100 calories for this drink right here. And of course you can add more milk and froth some more milk and then turn this latte into a frappuccino. Yeah, so pretty much that's it, and I guarantee you this tastes amazing, at least for me. I'm not a coffee drinker, but this tastes really, really good. Very comparable to some of the spots that you go and purchase this. The very major chain that starts with an S. Anyways, let me know what you think about this quick video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, all things tech care.